Good morning, student. Let us see some more problems in exercise 1.5. Question number 1, problem number 6. X raised to power x. Solution. Let y is equal to x raised to power x. Taking log on both sides. Therefore, log y is equal to log of x raised to power x. Therefore, log y is equal to x into log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to ddx of x into log of x. That is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to first function x into derivative of second is 1 upon x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, plus second function log x constant into derivative of first is 1, derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y in bracket, this x get cancelled, 1 plus log of x, that is dy by dx is equal to x raised to power x into bracket 1 plus log of x. Is that it? Now again differentiate with respect to x. ddx of dy by dx is equal to ddx of x raised to power x into 1 plus log of x. Now ddx of dy by dx is d2y by dx square is equal to, here the product of two function. First function x raised to power x into ddx of 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log x as it is into ddx of x raised to power x. Therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to x raised to power x into 0 plus 1 upon x, derivative of log x is. Now 1 plus log x as it is into derivative of x raised to power x is this, means into x raised to power x in bracket 1 plus log of x. Therefore, here x raised to power x upon x plus x raised to power x into 1 plus log of x whole square, which can be written as d2y by dx square is equal to x raised to power x minus 1 plus x raised to power x in bracket 1 plus log of x whole square. In this way, we can get the answer, isn't it? d2y by dx square is equal to exercise 1.5 question number 2. Find d2y by dx square of the following. Let us see second sum. X is equal to twice at square and y is equal to 4at, isn't it? Let us solve this. Solution. First write down given. X is equal to twice at square and y is equal to 4at. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate both with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to d dt of 2at square. Dy by dt is equal to d dt of 4at. Dx by dt is equal to 2a constant, derivative of t square is 2t. Here dy by dt is equal to 4a constant, derivative of t is 1. Therefore dx by dt is equal to 2 to the 4at and dy by dt is equal to 4a. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 4a upon 4at. 4a get cancelled, which is equal to 1 upon t. Again differentiate with respect to x. d dx of dy by dx is equal to d dx of 1 upon t, isn't it? Which is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon t, derivative of 1 upon t is 1 upon minus 1 upon t square into d dt by dx into dt by dx, because we are differentiating here with respect to x. Therefore derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square dt by dx, isn't it? Now put the value of now dt by, since dx by dt is equal to, we have 4at. Therefore dt by dx is equal to, we have 1 upon 4at. Put this value here. Therefore, minus 1 upon t square into 1 upon 4at, which is equal to, therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 4a into t square into t means t cube, isn't it? In this way, we can get the answer of second question, isn't it? Let us see problem number 4. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. We have to find the value of d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4. Let us see the solution. Given x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Differentiate both with respect to theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a into minus sin theta. Dy by d theta is equal to b into cos theta. Therefore, dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta and dy by d theta is equal to b cos theta, isn't it? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Put the value b cos theta upon minus a sin theta. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a into cos theta upon sin theta means cot theta. Since cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta, we know. Now, differentiate with respect to x. ddx of dy by dx is equal to ddx of minus b upon a into cot theta, which is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus b upon a constant. Derivative of cot theta is cosec square theta into d theta by dx, isn't it? Now, d2y by dx square is equal to minus b upon a cosec square theta into now put the value of dx by d theta is this. Here we write dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Therefore, d theta by dx is equal to minus 1 upon a sin theta. Therefore, put the value into minus 1 upon a sin theta, which is equal to minus minus become plus b a into a, that is a square into cosec square theta into 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta, since we can write 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to b upon a square cosec cube theta. Now d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to b upon a square cosec cube theta is pi by 4. Since cosec pi by 4 is equal to root 2, therefore we have b upon a square into root 2 cube, that is equal to 2 root 2. Root 2 cube means 2 root 2 into b upon a square d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4. This is the answer, isn't it? In this way we can get the answer of this question. Exercise 1.5 question number 3 sub question number 2. If y is equal to e raised to power m tan inverse of x, then show one plus x square into d2y by dx square plus 2x minus m into dy by dx is equal to 0. Let us solve this sum. Solution. Given. What is given here? Y is equal to e raised to power m into tan inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to e raised to power m into tan inverse of x into d dx of m into tan inverse of x, which is equal to e raised to power m into tan inverse of x into m into 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse, that is do cross multiplication. 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to e raised to power m tan inverse of x into m, isn't it? This goes in multiplication. Therefore 1 plus x square dy by dx is equal to m as it is into, this is the value of y, my, since y is equal to e raised to power m into tan inverse of x. In this way we get here this. Again differentiate with respect to x. Now here the product of two functions means 1 plus x square first function constant into derivative of dy by dx with respect to x is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is into ddx of 1 plus x square is equal to m constant derivative of y with respect to y is dy by dx, that is 1 plus x square into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is, derivative is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x is equal to m into dy by dx. Now 1 plus x square into d2y by dx square as it is plus 2x into dy by dx minus m into dy by dx is equal to 0. Transfer this term to the left side. Therefore 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus 2x minus m into dy by dx is common into dy by dx is equal to 0, which is a required answer. Hence showed. In this way we can solve this sum. Remaining sum we will see in coming video.